Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain how to make Goldilocks macaroons, ensuring they are just right every time. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients. You'll need 2 large egg whites, which are crucial for our meringue. We'll also use both granulated and powdered sugar to achieve that signature texture. Of course, almond flour forms the heart of our macaroon, and a tiny pinch of salt will brighten all the flavors. Let's get baking. Now let's talk about the meringue, which is the backbone of any great macaroon. Begin by whipping your 2 large egg whites until they become soft and foamy. Then, slowly incorporate your granulated sugar, continuing to whip until the mixture is glossy and forms stiff peaks. This means when you lift your whisk, the meringue should stand up firmly. Be careful not to overmix, as a dry meringue can lead to cracked shells. This step is absolutely critical for success. Next up is macaronage, the art of folding your dry ingredients into the meringue. This step is all about achieving the perfect consistency. Gently fold your almond flour and powdered sugar into the meringue until the batter flows slowly off your spatula, like molten lava. It should form a ribbon that slowly disappears back into itself. Then, pipe uniform, 1.5-inch circles onto parchment paper. Don't forget to tap your baking sheets firmly on the counter a few times to release any air bubbles. Finally, let's get these beautiful macaroons baked. First, let them rest for about 15 to 30 minutes at room temperature. This helps form a slight skin. Then, bake them in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. You'll know they're ready when they've developed those characteristic feet at the base. Once baked, it's crucial to let them cool completely on the baking sheet. This prevents them from sticking and ensures they have that perfect, delicate texture. Enjoy your Goldilocks macaroons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.